Hi guys, it's Nicole, and today I am sharing a layout from the May Flavors of the Month kit from the Scrapbook room. All information regarding the scrap room, where you can find them, kits, all that kind of stuff is always linked down below in the description box. I am working with the Maggie Holmes Garden Party kit today, and it came with 2 sheets of a craft cardstock, and then these are the 3 pattern papers that came with it. I already lost my cheat sheet, so I don't know the names of them, but they are all posted on the store site. Like, you can see like a detailed description of everything that you're going to get in the kit. It came with a 6x12 sheet of cardstock stickers, and then I am going to pull from the embellishment add-on kit and use some of the, I guess these are like puffy stickers. And the video today is pretty short. I think I'm just under 5 minutes, mostly because it didn't take me very long to make the layout, which I've mentioned before is kind of why I'm loving these kits. The most time I spent was just trying to come up with a game plan in a sense, and I don't typically ever use American Craft branded lines. I think they're just not something that I gravitate towards. So when I opened this one, I was like, okay, this is pretty, it's feminine. I'm still not real sure what I want to do with it. So I just kind of started cutting strips of paper. One of them I cut in half on like a diagonal just to kind of make it a little bit more interesting, a little bit more different. I did end up, let me find my sample. I did end up not putting like the angled pink piece on the top that you can see there right now. I wasn't paying attention to my math as I was cutting out these strips, forgetting that I have full-size 4x6 photos that I want to kind of span the middle. And basically I only left myself 6 inches, so you couldn't really see the like pretty wood grain paper that I was wanting to see. So I ended up just turning my camera off, ripping up the background, putting everything back together, and just kind of making sure everything was glued down by the time I had kind of ripped everything up. And I built my layout straight onto the wood pattern paper and just kind of saved the craft cardstock for another project. So here's where I figured out that I've kind of papered myself into a corner in a sense. And I just paired it with 3 photos from an older like family session that we had. I want to say this is probably 2016, but that center photo is probably one of my favorite photos that our photographer has ever taken of my daughter. I feel like that center one just defines her personality to a T. And then from there, I kept everything simple. A lot of times with these types of photos, I want the emphasis to be on the photos, and I don't want to make it difficult to sort of find them. So that's another reason that I will use full-size photos, is because I want them to kind of have the most impact on the layout. So I just kind of framed everything around that center photo. I used one of the cardstock phrases. I used this like leafy border thing that was on the puffy stickers. And I just made a little cluster down on the bottom, kind of combining some of the cardstock stickers. And I think there was like 1 gold puffy heart, so I stole that to put down there too. And then I just grabbed a couple other stickers from both of the sticker sheets to kind of fill in around that title and like the little subtitle sticker that I had picked. And this is good for me. I'm not going to journal on this layout because these photos are part of our family photo session. So typically what I will do is I'll have a couple pages where I don't journal, and then I'll have a couple pages where I journal like about each kid, and then like mom and dad and that kind of thing. So yeah, super quick page, super quick video, but it didn't really take me long to do, but I still wanted to share with you guys this really pretty kit and just kind of how simple it went together. I will catch you guys in another video soon. Bye.